Hi everybody, welcome to Knack 3D Designs. I'm Carl, and as you all now know, that is the White Knight belt printer. It felt appropriate to make up a quick little video due to all the new traffic my channel has. Thanks Joel for getting that video up so fast, and Tom, I know you're right in there behind him. Sorry you didn't win that race. I know there's a few other interviews and videos that were shot during Murph. To be honest, the whole weekend was a blur. I can't wait to see everything that shows up on Twitter and on YouTube. I wanted to real quick thank the community for their overwhelming support. Literally, I did not expect to get the attention I got at Murph with this project. I do want to thank Midnight Giant for having the faith in me to fund the first project. I want to thank Printed Solid and Proto-Pasta for stepping in and helping out with the second printer. And I want everybody to know there are lots more videos coming out. I've got hundreds of hours of assembly videos shot from assembling Midnight Giant's printer. I'm going to get all those edited, get them posted as fast as I can. I'm going to keep working to improve the GitHub, so all the info you guys will need is out there with links to purchase everything. All I can say is bear with me. I'm working as fast as I can. I'm a one-man show. And again, thanks everybody for the support. Stay tuned. And oh yeah, I know if you've watched any of my DaVinci videos now, I've always ended it with, if it ain't broke, upgrade it. I don't think it's broke. It seems to work pretty good to me. But I challenge everybody out there, it's not perfect. Please upgrade it. If you like the printer, if you like what I'm doing, and you appreciate the fact to put it out there open source, please support the channel. There is a PayPal me link in the description. Y'all have a great day. Thanks again, and we'll see y'all soon.